Hey guys, let's make some money now. As you can see on my Binance balance, I have $10,048. That is money that I have been trading from doing what we call you buy low from one exchange and you sell high on another exchange, guys. So in this video today, I will show you exactly how you can do this and have such balance in your wallet. You can see I have $10,048. I'm refreshing my account so you can see it's real and not fake. You see, I have just refreshed. So, and I'm chilling right here in my car, guys. So today we are going to make this trade be the best. Make sure you like this video, you share, and you save it for future reference, because guys, if you don't do that, this video will go out from your FYP and you'll never ever get such a video to help you make money online. So save this video, like this video, and let's do this now, guys. So let's get to it, guys. As you can see, this is my balance, and I'm going to teach you step by step how you can see how you can do such a trade and make money. So the first step, guys, that you need to do is you need to have funds in your Binance, Bybit, or BitGet, or any exchange that you're using, or Ox. Then, after having the funds, just like I do here now, you need to find the next exchange that you are going to sell and make the profit. We are going to do what we call we buy low on one exchange and sell high on another exchange, guys. As you know very well, in this life, it's all about buying low and selling high. You buy milk here at a cheap price, maybe in Tanzania, and then you sell in Kenya at a higher price, or you buy milk in Uganda and sell Nigeria at a higher price. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT in Binance and you sell in another exchange at a higher profit. So without wasting time, the first thing, you need to have funds, and the next thing, you need to have an exchange. And today I'm going to show you the exchange that I'm using. And the name of the exchange, guys, the name of the exchange is called Binance.com. Let me show you this one. This is Binance.net or Binance.com. This one, Binance, as you can see, it's BINU Binance.net, guys. So this is the exchange that we are going to use. As you can see, the exchange is well regulated by SEC, and you can see the certification here, everything, and the registration number. So it's a regulated exchange that we are going to use. So the first step you need to do after finding you have the funds on your Binance, you need to go to the next step, to Binance.net, guys. And then once you are in Binance.net, you click create account. You put all your details here and then you log in. And also remember, guys, once you log in, KYC is not important. You can skip that. I have been trading without KYC for a long time, so it's not very important, guys. So after you create now the account, you need to log in. So let me log into my account now. Let me refresh and log into my account. You can see this is my email and my account. So this is my account. You can see right now I have 0.00 in portfolio, but I have been doing a little many more trades here, that I have been making trades and making money on this exchange. So guys, the first step now on beginning to make money, we need to go to P2P, guys. Okay, we are going to buy Binance USDT on Binance, and then we come and sell it on Binance P2P. So what you do is you click on the three dots on your right, and then you go to P2P trading, guys, and then you choose the USDT. That's the crypto that we are going to sell. And then next step, you choose amount. So let's say you have 10,000 USDT, and then you see there are no offers. So if I have 10,000, I can't sell to anyone because because of what we call P2P limits. Okay, so I'm going to choose a limit that I know that's available. So I'll put 1,000. That one is must be available. As you can see, the vendors are here. And then now, guys, remember we are selling, so I will go to click on sell and then put amount. So guys, the next step here, you need to choose a vendor that has 1 point. You can see this one has 1.10. So we need to find a vendor that has 1.2 and above. So 1.22, this one, you see this one, this is very nice. So I'll click on sell to this, and then I'll put amount 1000. You see? So now we have come to that vendor and we have done our math. We see that if we sell to that vendor $1,000, we will get 1,222. That's a profit of 222 in USDT, guys. And if you can keep on repeating these steps every day, why can't you get into the profit that I have in my Binance? Why? So after you have done that, now you have spotted the vendor that you want to sell to, or that you will sell to in future, or anytime that you want. The next step, guys, you need to do is go to your Binance. Now you go to your Binance account here on wallet, and then you need to add funds, and then after adding the funds, you sell it. So we click on deposit, choose USDT, and the amount that we want to sell is 1,000. Right, and then continue, and then we copy the address. This is the address that is given by the platform. This is your address in your exchange. Then you copy the address, you go back to your Binance, all right, and then you click on send. On chain withdraw USDT, you long press that address here. Okay, you cross check, make sure the address matches what you have copied. See, and then network, they have said here the network is TRC20. Okay, network is TRC20. So we put TRC20, this one, and then amount we put 1,001. Because of dollar fee, we put $1 extra for the fees, and then we click on withdraw, guys. All right, and then the next step, now we need to verify. You verify your identity here. So this one, I'll have to pause a video for a moment so that I can get back after verification. So now I'm putting my verification, guys, and then I make the withdrawal go. Okay, like that. It's very easy, guys. All right, so now $1,000 has been withdrawn successfully. So now the next step, guys, you need to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot for that, and then you go scroll down here, and then you upload. Okay, you upload here. There's a place that it said upload here. You click that, and then you upload. After uploading that, you click on submit. Okay, the submit is just right below here, you see. So now it's on the blockchain waiting to be processed to my account, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll give it some time to process, guys. Just give it a moment, guys. Okay, so guys, it has been like a few minutes. So now if I refresh here, you see it's already step 4 of 4. So the deposit, I think, has been approved already. So I will go back. You can see I have 1,000 already deposited in my account. If I go to deposit history, you can see here it is that it has been added less than a minute ago. So now it's when now we do the trade, guys. This is where you should be very, very careful. All right, so you need to be very careful on this step. So now we go back to P2P. Remember, guys, these vendors change their prices according to time. There's what we call liquidity. So when the liquidity is high, the prices might go in a negative or a positive. So we will go back to sell again, and then we put amount 1,000. So I'm very sure we won't find that guy that we had found that time. So now we need to find another one. So I'll choose the cryptocurrencies USDT, and then I'll scroll down, guys, and find another one. Okay, this one, you see, I think it's the same guy. He has now 1.21. The other time we had 1.22 because of price. Yeah, so you see now it has already changed. So now I need to find another one. That one has already gone. There's this one, so I'll click on sell immediately. You need to be very fast. Once you deposit money and you find a good vendor, just be fast and you click sell. Once you click sell, you already reserve that option for the price, and it won't go. So once you put that, and then you put amount 1,000, remember you need to have this amount in your wallet. You deposit just like I did, and then you click on continue, and then you choose payment, and then you choose USDT TRC20. This payment method, guys, I need to emphasize here. This payment method that you select here is the payment method that the vendor will pay the total amount that you are going to get to your wallet. The total amount here will be 1,209. That's the total amount that you will receive in your wallet. So you need to continue, and then you choose payment method USDT, and then here, guys, you put your Binance USDT address. Binance now. So we need to go back to Binance. Okay, see now, if I refresh my Binance, I have 9,047 because I did a withdrawal for 1,001. So now I need to go back, guys, and click on three dots there. So I need to go back and click on assets, and then click on add funds because I need the address, my address. So I'll click on on-chain deposit, and then USDT, guys, TRX. Very nice. And then I'll copy my address. Here it is. And then I'll go to my trade, and I will put the address here. Okay, just put the address here, and then you click on submit transaction. Okay, you see, it's very easy, just like that. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to pay. Okay, and once the vendor pays, you need to release the trade. If the vendor doesn't pay, you dispute the trade. So let's give the vendor a few minutes. As you can see, it's always 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, if vendor hasn't paid you, you just dispute. The dispute button will come automatically if you don't receive the payment, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, it has been 2 minutes already. I'm still waiting for the vendor to pay me. Once the vendor does pay me, I'll be back to you. Hey guys, so as now you can see the trade payment received. Please release the trade. As you can see, this is what the trade is saying now. So they want me to release the trade, guys. So what you need to do before you release this trade, you need to go to your Binance. Okay, you need to go to your Binance, and then you refresh and see whether you have received the payment. As you can see now, I need to go to assets, home, and then I go assets. You see, yes, I received the payment. Yes, so I received 1,209 after fees. You know, the vendor always calculates the fees that he sends to you. So now, after confirming that you have received the payment, now you need to release the trade. You click release. But if you haven't, you click on dispute. Once you dispute here, you write the problem, and then your trade goes to dispute, and you will be paid back. So now, because I've been paid, I need to click on release. So after releasing the trade, that's how it works. And you have made a clean $1,209 in a few minutes, buying crypto USDT on another exchange and selling higher on another exchange, guys. So this is how you do. Also, let me remind you guys, this is what you do, and this is how you should do it always, and do it carefully, just like I did. And remember, this is not a financial advice, but if you do it just like I told you, you will make some passive income daily. So you can always do this maximum of 20 times per day, and you can repeat as long as vendors are there and the market is good. You can always do that. And also, once you go to my TikTok and click on my bio, you'll see the number to my WhatsApp. You can contact me for any help, and also join my Telegram channel. Thank you so much.